Now what we have to do is solve this linear system, and we're going to use the elimination method here. So we have c equals 15x and c equals 10x plus 120. And we have a coefficient of 1 on both the c variables. So we're going to subtract these two equations. C minus c is 0. 15x minus 10x is 5x. And 0, and be careful here, 0 minus 120 is negative 120. So it's minus 120. And so watch your signs there. So 120 is equal to 5x when we add 120 to both sides. We divide both sides by 5 and we find that x is equal to 24. If we sub into our equation for, this is option A, c is equal to 15 times 24, we get a cost of $360. So the cost of catering options will be the same, $360, if 24 people are attending the party. So which option is cheaper for 20 people? Option A is C, the equation is C equals 15 times x. And if x is equal to 20, we sub in for x equals, for x, and it's 15 times 20 is 300. For option B, when we sub in for x equals 20, we get c is equal to 10 times 20 plus 120. And when we simplify, 10 times 20 is 200 plus 120 is 320. So option A is cheaper by $20 than option B for if you are having 20 people. Which option is cheaper for 30 people? Well, for option A, our equation is c equals 15x, and we're going to sub in for x equals 30. So c equals 15 times 30, which is 450. Option B, c is equal to 10x plus 120. We sub in for x equals 30 again. We get c is equal to 10 times 30, which is 300, plus 120, which is 420. So if you have 30 people, so the option B is cheaper by $30 than option A if 30 people are attending the party. The guest list for your grandparents includes between 24 to 30 people. Which option would you recommend to keep costs down? Now, for 24 guests, both options cost the same, but we calculated that for 30 guests, option B is cheaper. Therefore, the option B is the one that will cost less because we know that at best we're going to pay the same, because remember 24 was when the costs were identical. If you have more than 24 people, then option B is cheaper. So it would be best to go with option B.